One thing after another. So would you like to ask some questions or what you want to do here? You want me to sing for you?
Yeah.
I'll do a little Creedence Clearwater Revival, you know.
My name is Trevor Shaw. I'm with Bill Harbert. We are at the Highland Avenue project. We are building a 275 unit apartment complex here in Highland Park area. We started in October of 23 and we are planning to finish on in November of 25. Demo is about 2 months or so, and we are about halfway done with our concrete foundation work. So today you'll see parking garage nearing complete. We are 3/4 of the way through concrete foundation work. Biggest goal of the project right now is to get our framers started. So that means having both slab-on grades ready and all of our podium decks poured, cured, and stressed.
It has been a minute, hasn't it? Our biggest issue here is design documents. Drawings being wrong, just flat wrong. And you know, in the old days, you built it like the drawings. Today, you better look at what they're drawing before you go build it. Because chances are you're gonna find a lot of stuff that's not correct. And that's what we're finding here. And that's the trend of our industry now. You know, we started this job October, and then we got IFC drawings.
In the middle of February.
Middle of February. We started demo and grading work in October. And then concrete guys, they started about middle of February. And we had a big rush. We had to get the foundations in for the parking deck by a certain time, or we'd lose the window that we had for Metromont to come in here and erect the parking deck. And so that was, and they didn't know when they would be able to come back. So that was gonna wreck the job entirely. And so SSG and their subcontractor, Sanchez, man, everybody wants to talk to me today. I don't know why. Sanchez came in and they were running upwards of 50 people. And to be honest with you, when we started, I didn't think we had a chance of getting all that done in time, but we did. We did. We went like a week and a half or 2 weeks over their Metromont start date, but most of that was based on weather, and the weather affected them too, where they were installing a parking deck somewhere else, or precast, whatever they were doing. Yeah, so, you know, it all lined up. It all lined up, and Friday will be their 45th day on the job, and by contract, they have 45 days. They've got 12 pieces to finish setting out tomorrow, so they will finish setting out tomorrow, load out some miscellaneous stuff Friday, and then Tuesday start breaking the crane down. And there's the parking deck. Original schedule, I had our concrete guys scheduled to complete. We started parking deck, building 1,000, 2,000, getting in 3,000, and they're done. And I had them scheduled to be out of here about mid-August. And they'll probably beat that if we keep tracking like we are. And they're running around 35 people.
I think it's just about everything you can ask for in a job. This job has got it. You know, every structure. Working with Harbert, you know, we don't do a whole lot of wood frame stuff, so it's cool to be a part of something we're not used to building. And yeah, opens your doors too, is to developers, future work. We have a great team. We all work well together. We got issues, we all tackle them as a team. So I guess our biggest goal right now, I think I was talking about it a little earlier, getting this slab on grade ready. It's critical. That and our stair shaft, you can see they're working on now. This is Dan the man from Birmingham.
Come up here to get a couple aerials.
A little tan. We just got done walking the precast parking deck. Saw a couple pieces get set up there. We're gonna walk down to a foundation wall and look at what we got going on down there. Follow me. So we just got done from walking the parking garage where we saw the last of the double T's get set. They are set to finish Friday. Over here, if you look to your right, we've got 5 floors of wood framing that will go up. We've got our masons working out ahead of our slab on grade prep. Right now, they're actually currently working on compaction for slab on grade. That will be complete today. Now we're gonna walk over and look at our concrete formwork and wall prep. We've got guys tied off, wall reinforcing. So all of that starts with foundation. So we have a field engineer who locates footings. Once he's done that, we'll excavate, dig our footing, and then start placing rebar. Once they've closed it, they'll pour it. It's a pretty important wall. This will take them the rest of the day. They'll probably pour this first thing in the morning. Back behind me is area B1. It's our courtyard elevation. Right now, the biggest thing everyone's hustling to do is to get this wall closed up. Everybody has worked really hard, really diligently to get us to this point to close the road and get wood framing started. So next time we see y'all, hopefully see some wood standing. My name is Trevor Shaw. I'm with BL Harbert, and this is the Highland Avenue project.